All right. Welcome. And this is going to be a really short video, and I want you to look at the Aussie US dollar on the 15-minute time frame. And here we have price on its way up. You can actually see here it is the 20th of November 2020. And as you know, we are about to approach our second window for the day, which is the New York trading window. And I'm going to make a delineation. That's the time we are looking, we're going to be looking at. That's the time window right here. And I want you to take a close look at this. Pause the video if you can. And if you've done that, I want you to look at price as it goes up. It's obviously a bearish marketplace, a bullish marketplace, sorry. And as you can see, price broke. Gonna add this. Broke this high the previous day. Okay, that was the high of the previous session, and traded lower, back up, traded lower, and traded back up here. Now you find a huge displacement here, as well as a break in structure. This is a break in a structure and a huge displacement. As you know, what would you do? We're looking for our entry at a particular time within this time window. So we're expecting price to continue all the way up, and we have an AOC right here. You want to mark that. The last AOC before the displacement. And now I want you to bring in your fib. That's the fib. Bring the fib into this, and you see that's the entry. That is your 62% right there. We expect price to come in here and trade back up. It's Friday, so we may not expect much, but this is what the trading should look like. So I'm going to pause the video and continue at the end of the day. And we're back. I want you to see what has just happened. Okay, this was the entry level. It's still a limit order. We missed it by a pip. Look, the price dipped into that area in our time window, and now it is starting to trade up, trade higher, but we missed it. So this is one of the possibilities that you are going to face as a trader, where you miss entries like this for some reason or another. So look at that. That would have been a very perfect entry right there. Let's go to the 5 minutes so we can appreciate this. Look at that. Look at our limit order right there. Look at this. Now you see it's annoying, right? It is annoying. And look, just a pip and we would have been filled. But it's the market. When you miss things like this, you don't get angry because you already know what it takes to get this, and you're going to get a lot of opportunities going forward, and you take advantage of them. So I'm going to come back when the market turns around, and let's see, and if it remains, if it continues to go trade higher to seek higher prices, or if it's going to turn over on its head, down all the way down, or if it will remain in consolidation, since we are at the end of the week. So I'll come back again. All right, I'm gonna go to my TradingView account. I think it got triggered on TradingView. compared to my MT4 because of the spread. So we're going to go to trading view, and here we are. I'm going to go to the 5-minute time frame on trading view. All right, now look at that entry right there. Look at that entry. That's 10 standard lots. Look at the entry. This is perfection right here. And I'm going to go ahead now and I'll take partials out of this and move the stop to break even. So I'll take some partials out of this now. So this is 10 million. I'm going to take 500K off. This is 1 million rather. So I'm taking 500K off. That's done. And I'll move the stop into profit. As you can see, look at that entry. That is precision right there. Okay. And I'm even I'm a lot more angry because I expected this to get filled on my live trading account and it didn't happen. So I'm gonna just watch this. I've taken partials out of this and I'm gonna see what happens next. I honestly don't care if it turns around or if it goes against me at this point. So we're gonna come back and we're gonna look at this. All right, welcome back. As you can see, we are almost at the target. I'm gonna take the fibs off. We missed this, by the way. Okay, we missed this, and look at the wick right there, 1 pip, and this happens. This type of situation happens. You find that all the time. Like I said, it's nothing to be upset about. I know when it happens, it can be a little bit annoying, but it's already happened, and we missed that entry. It would have been a very perfect entry, and here is the target 73215. That is for 19 pips. That's 20 pips. Okay, that's missed now. So basically this is just to show you how to actually field and look for your opportunities on the day during our time window. So I want you to look at the entry on that trade and the exit. Look right here. I'm gonna change this to so look at the entry right here. You saw a few minutes ago that was a 0 pip drawdown trade. Okay, and that's the entry. If this isn't perfection to a degree, I don't know what is. And look, I took partials out of this particular price level, and that was the exit. Look at it right there. And look what happened next after the price began to drop. After the exit, okay, price began to drop. So look at that, the entry and the exit. That's the perfection that I'm teaching you to hunt on your day trading. And that, let's check and measure how many pips that was. That was a 20 pip move. I was going for 20 pips. So the exit was on this price level. Okay, 20 pips right here. And that was the exit. And I want you to look at what happened next. The price began to drop. And it isn't just because we had to target 20 pips. There's a narrative behind that particular price level and why we took that area as our target. So I'm gonna go. So that's gonna be it for today, and I'll see you again soon.